Are you someone who's tired coding an e-commerce website for hours together and then spending more and more hours every day trying to manage an e-commerce business? Well, the solution is here. MeRise is a revolutionary new platform where you can sign on and in under 30 minutes create your own e-commerce store. Well, how do you get started? Well, getting started is absolutely simple. All you need to do is go to MeRise.io, create a store button, and simply enter all your details. Once you've entered all your details, make sure that you upload your logo and the rest of your business names. Once you've done that, make sure that you select the designs you want to use. If you do not want to use your own designs, worry not, we allow you to sell our existing products too. So you can choose from a wide variety of really amazing products. Once you're done with all of these things and you finally click submit, your store will be created and will be live right at that moment. Isn't it amazing? I'll catch you on MeRise.